Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're talking meme coins, the crypto casino where your $100 can potentially turn into something crazy, or get absolutely nuked before you even finish your coffee. You've probably seen those TikTok screenshots. Bro turned $100 into 50K overnight. Amazing, right? But nobody posts the other screenshot, the one where they bought the top and watched 90% of their bag disappear in 2 minutes. So if you're trading meme coins in 2026, you can't just trade on vibes, you need an actual strategy. And today, we're using a real DEX Screener chart to break down how to spot breakouts, recognize when momentum is dying, take profits, and, most importantly, verify that you're actually buying the token you think you're buying. Let's get into it. First things first, verify the chain and the contract. And this is where things get interesting. Right here on DEX Screener, we're looking at TOSHI on BNB Smart Chain. At first glance, you might think, wait, isn't TOSHI a Base token? Yes, the original TOSHI project is native to Base. But here's the important part. The BSC version you're looking at is also an official TOSHI token. The official TOSHI website currently lists 2 official contracts, the Base TOSHI contract and the BSC TOSHI contract. So, same TOSHI project, different blockchain, different token contract. And that distinction is huge, because when a popular meme coin exists across multiple chains, you can't just search the ticker and assume the first result is legit. Scammers can, and do, create tokens using the exact same name and ticker. So before you ape into anything, go to the project's official website or official X account and compare the contract address. In this case, the BSC contract is actually listed by TOSHI itself, but if the address doesn't match, red flag. And even if the contract is legitimate, you still need to check liquidity, trading volume, and whether there's enough liquidity for you to actually exit your position. Because in meme coins, buying is only half the game. You also need to be able to sell. Now, with that out of the way, let's actually trade the chart. Take a look at this 1-hour chart. First, we have this long, boring-looking zone around the $40 million to $44 million market cap range. And this is exactly the kind of boring price action you want to pay attention to. This is called accumulation. While everyone else is scrolling past thinking, bro, this coin is doing absolutely nothing. Smart money may be positioning inside that range. Then comes the breakout. Around the 19th, volume suddenly spikes. Price breaks out of that flat range and absolutely sends it, pushing all the way towards $60 million. And this is where FOMO kicks in. You see a giant green candle and your brain goes, it's going to 100 mil, buy now! Nah, that's exactly how you end up becoming exit liquidity. Instead of chasing the giant green candle, you generally want to look for an entry during the accumulation phase, or wait for a retest after the breakout. Now let's break down the 3 indicators on the screen so we can see when this momentum starts running out of gas. Number 1, Bollinger Bands. The upper band is sitting around 57.7 million, while the lower band is around 51.4 million. Now look at what happened. Price pushed into that upper band twice, creating a double top, and got rejected both times. That's important. Instead of thinking, let's buy more because it's pumping, this can be a signal to start thinking about taking profit. Next up, MACD. Look down at the histogram. It just turned red, and the MACD line crossed downward. That tells us sellers are starting to step in, and short-term momentum is losing strength. And then we have the RSI. Earlier, RSI ripped above 80, putting the token into extremely overbought territory. But now, it has cooled all the way down to around 53.5. That's basically neutral territory. Translation, the market has cooled off and is taking a breather. So what's the game plan from here? If you're watching this setup right now, trading directly around the middle line at roughly $54.5 million is pretty risky. Instead, I'd be watching for one of 2 things. Scenario number 1, support holds. Watch that lower Bollinger Band around $51.4 million. If price gets there, holds the level, and buyers step back in, you could potentially see a bounce. Scenario number 2, breakout confirmation. Instead of guessing, wait for price to break above $60 million with strong volume. That would give you confirmation that buyers are actually coming back in control instead of you just hoping for another pump. And remember, meme coins can move insanely fast in both directions. Set your stop losses, don't trade with rent money, don't blindly chase green candles, and don't wait for the absolute top to take profit. Taking some profit on the way up is never a bad thing. If this breakdown helped, drop a comment with the next meme coin you want me to analyze. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.